We've covered why Ukraine spent 2 months bombing Wildberries, Russia's Amazon. Last night, for the first time, it hit the other one too. Ozon. Ukrainian drones struck an Ozon logistics hub in Chapayevsk, Samara region, overnight. The warehouse itself, 135,000 square meters, one of the largest in the Volga region, built for 5 billion rubles. By morning the fire had engulfed most of the complex, and Ozon suspended operations there. The same night, Ukraine also hit an oil refinery in the same region. Since mid-June, Ukraine has hit Wildberries warehouses more than 20 times, 7 of its 10 biggest. Kyiv's case, these aren't just parcel centers. They are logistics nodes moving body armor, navigation gear, and fiber optic cable for drones, alongside the packages, and a channel for getting around sanctions. Estimated losses to Wildberries alone, up to $8.5 billion. There's a financial target behind the physical one. Russian banks, VTB and Sberbank, lent Wildberries roughly 13 billion euros, now struggling to service. One Ukrainian drone manufacturer put it bluntly, quote, "We need to finish off Wildberries and Ozon, and it will collapse the bank system," end quote. Hitting a warehouse is also hitting a balance sheet. Modern warfare doesn't distinguish civilian logistics from military supply anymore, because increasingly, they are the same trucks. If you found this useful, subscribing is the biggest help. For the full history behind this war, watch our course, Russia-Ukraine War, History, Analysis, Chronology, linked below. And if you'd like to go a step further, there's a super thanks button on this video. Putting together sourced, verified analysis like this takes real research time, and any support is genuinely appreciated.